study about an important topic that was come in demand for us, and this topic is the macrostates and the microstates. This topic comes from the statistical thermodynamics, and in the terms of thermodynamics, we will firstly explain the definitions of macrostate and microstate. So the macrostate of a system refers to its macroscopic properties such as its temperature, its pressure, its volume or its number of particles etc. These properties defines the macrostate of a system, while the microstate describes the different possible ways the system can achieve in a particular macrostate. Now this definitions looks so difficult. In order to understand these, we will firstly comes to our daily life uses. We see in our practical life some important things. As we see the coin, we have a 1 rupee coin. When we toss this coin, what is the possibility? The head will come, or what is the possibility? The tail will come. There are two equal property. It means 50-50 probability that the head will come or the tail will come. Both have the equal probability. So this will have two microstates. The coin is one. This is the macrostate, and it can take the head side or it can take the tail side. These are two different ways that the coin can take, and these are called its two microstates. Similarly, if we have two coins and when we toss these two coins all together, it means simultaneously. How many possibilities are there? The one possibility may be that both the coin have head. The another possibility is that the one coin has head and the another coin has tail. The second possibility is that the first coin has tail and the second coin has head. And the fourth possibility is that the both coin can come tail position. So there are four different ways which the two coins can take. It means there may be four microstates when we see these two coins. It means two coins are the macrostate of the system, and the four ways that they can take are the four microstate of the system. Now we comes to the thermodynamics. In the thermodynamics, we take a cylinder, and this is a cylinder, and in this cylinder there is a piston. With this piston, we can change the volume, the pressure or the temperature of this cylinder. It means of this gas that is filled inside this cylinder. There is a gas that is filled inside this cylinder. So this makes a system. Now the macrostate of the system can be defined by its volume or by its pressure or by its temperature. It means its volume may be 1 liter. This defines its macrostate. It may have 1 million molecules. This defines its macrostate. These are called macroscopic properties. Now when we see deeply this gas, there are so many number of atoms or molecules inside this. These molecules are rotating simultaneously. Each is moving. So it may take different positions at any time. At any time, the first molecule may be here, or it may be here, or it may be anywhere another position. The third molecule may be here, or it may be here, or it may take any other position. So when we see this gas at any time, the position of its molecule may be different, and the system can take different configurations of the molecules. There are so many large number, millions of atoms or molecules are present here. So there are maybe different ways that the system can takes. This is called its microstate. So the microstate is the different ways in which the atoms or the molecules can organize themselves. It means how many different ways that they can take. So there may be a large number of microstates for this system. So in general, the microstate changes every movement, but macrostate does not change. And for every macrostate, there are several microstates. And all allowed microstates are equally likely. It means the possibility of each microstate to be at a particular time is equal. It means for example, if we take a coin, there is equal possibility that the head will come or the tail will come. Now we will understand this by another example. Now in this example, we can have a compartment like this, and this is divided into two chambers, first chamber and the second chamber. Now the first possible way may be that the all four atoms A, B, C, D are present in the first compartment. There will be only one way that the molecules can take when they are in one compartment. So it will have one microstate. The another possibility may be that the three atoms or molecules are in first compartment and the one atom or molecule is in the second compartment. This may have four probabilities. It means first probability may be A, B, C are in first compartment and D in the another compartment. It may be A, B and D in the first compartment and C in the second compartment. It may be A, C, D in the first compartment and B in the second compartment, or it may be B, C and D in the first compartment and A in the second compartment. So there may be four microstates in this condition. The third possible way is that there are two atoms or molecule in first compartment and the two atoms or molecules in the second compartment. This may have 6 types of configuration. The first may be A and B in first and C and D in the second compartment. The second is A and D in the first and B and C in the second compartment. A and C in the first compartment and B and D in the second compartment. C and D may be first compartment and A and B in the second compartment. B and C in the first compartment and A and D in the second compartment. And B and D in the first compartment and A and C in the second compartment. So there are 6 microstates possible for this configuration. The fourth may be the one molecule or atom in the first and the 3 molecules or atom in the second compartment. So this will like this, and it will have also 4 different microstates. It means C may be in first compartment, B may be in first compartment, A may be in first compartment and D may be in the first compartment. So this will have 4 microstates. And the last way may be that all the 4 atoms or molecules are in the second compartment. It means all A, B, C, D in the second compartment. This will have only one possible way, and hence it will have 1 microstate. So from this picture we can see that the highest probability will be found, highest distribution is found when there are 6 microstates. It means this is the most probable distribution when the atoms are evenly distributed. It means half and half distributed between both compartments. So we can say that the most probable distribution is one that will have highest number of microstates. It means one in which atoms are evenly distributed. And now the probability of the system is being one of the microstate. It means probability will be equal to 1 upon omega, where omega is the number of microstates. Now the microstates are related to the entropy. Actually, probability is related to microstates and microstate is related to entropy. And as greater the number of microstates, greater will be the entropy. Boltzmann, a scientist, given a relationship between entropy and the number of microstates or probability, that is S is equal to K ln W, where K is the Boltzmann constant. Its value is 1.38 into 10 raised to the power 23. So more will be the volume, more will be the microstates, and hence more will be the entropy. And when more is the temperature, more will be energy, more the molecules will move, and more will be the microstates, and hence more will be the entropy. Similarly, more the molecules, more will be arrangements, and more will be the microstates, and hence more will be the entropy. Now we comes to the calculation of number of microstates. As this is the smaller case we have studied, in which we can count the microstates, but there are a lot of number of atoms or molecules in a solid that we cannot count. So we need a formula to calculate the number of microstates, that is given by number of ways W and N is equal to n factorial upon small n factorial and minus a small n factorial, where n is equal to the total number of particles and small n will be the specific or the special number of particles that occupies a special position. We will understand it by an example. We have 4 distinguishable particles and we have to distribute 3 quanta of energy among them. Then there will be 3 possibilities, 3 different ways that the atoms can takes. This is the energy level diagram for an atom, in which the first level represents the ground level, this represents the first excited state, this represents the second excited state, and this represents the third excited state. So the first possibility may be that the 3 particles are in the ground level and the 1 particle is in the third excited state. The second probability may be the 2 particles are in the ground level. The third particle is in the first excited state and this particle, the fourth particle, is in the second excited state. The third possibility may be the 1 particle in the ground state, the second particle in the first excited state, this particle also in the first excited state, and this also in the first excited state. It means 1 in the ground level and 3 in the first excited state. So in the case of first possibility, the number of microstates omega 1 will be equal to 4 factorial upon 3 factorial 4 minus 3 factorial. So how to solve the factorial? We written it like this: 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 is equal to 4. So there will be 4 number of microstates. It means 4 possibilities, 4 different ways. In the case of this second possibility, the number of microstates will be omega 2 will be equal to 4 factorial upon 2 factorial 1 factorial, and it will give 12 microstates. The third possibility, it means the third number of microstates will be 4 factorial upon 1 factorial into 3 factorial, and it will give the value equal to 4 microstates. So the total number of microstates will be 4 plus 12 plus 4 is equal to 20. In the similar way, we can solve any question and we can calculate the number of microstates in any case. If you have any problem, you can comment us. If you like this video, please comment, please like this video, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.